Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into how you can use Notion to effectively organize your backyard chickens. First things first, you'll want to create a new project in Notion. This will be your dedicated space for everything related to your backyard chickens. The reason we do this is to keep all of our chicken-related information in one organized and easily accessible place. Now that we've done that, it's time to create a table. This table will serve as a database for all your chickens. Each row will represent a chicken, and the columns will contain important information such as name, breed, age, and egg production. This helps us because it allows us to track and compare individual chicken performance over time. Next up, you'll want to add a calendar to your Notion project. Here, you can schedule regular chicken care tasks like feeding, cleaning, and health checkups. This is important as it ensures your chickens are always well taken care of and nothing slips through the cracks. Let me explain why this matters. A well-organized system not only makes your life easier, but also contributes to the health and productivity of your chickens. Remember, happy hens mean more eggs. Finally, don't forget to make use of Notion's linking feature. You can link related pages together for quick navigation. For instance, if you have a page about a specific chicken breed, link it to the chickens row in your table. This helps us because it interconnects our information, making it quicker to access and easier to understand. So there you have it. With these simple steps, you can use Notion to effectively organize your backyard chickens. Having a system in place will save you time and stress, allowing